How to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. Let's get started. If TikTok is not showing your video to others, it might be due to technical reasons, algorithm related factors, or violations of TikTok guidelines. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. First of all, launch your TikTok. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Click on the option privacy. Make sure you have disabled for the option of private account. With private account, only your followers will be able to view your videos. Next, ensure your video complies with TikTok's community guidelines. If a video was removed or its visibility reduced, you can appeal the decision through TikTok's notification system. Next up, TikTok's algorithm provides videos that capture attention in the first few seconds. Use trending and relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Ensure your video is high quality, well lit, and aligns with trends or audience interests. Posting duplicate or repetitive content can lead to shadow bans. Excessive use of hashtags, irrelevant keywords, or misleading captions can hurt visibility. Respond to comments, your videos, and participate in challenges to increase your account's activity. Collaborate with other creators to tap into new audiences. With these tricks, now you're gonna get views in your TikTok videos. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.